I broke her doorbell. What's up, YouTube? It's Gary. Welcome to Tech Talk with Gary. Today I'm introducing you guys. I'm actually at a customer's house and we're going to be installing the Nest Hello doorbell. Okay, we also purchased some wedge mounts. These wedge mounts here are to give it a little bit of an angle so that it can point out a little bit, because her doorbell, if you notice here, is over on, if you're facing the house, it's on the left side of the house. So whenever that camera's recording, it's going to be facing this way. We're going to actually install a wedge mount, point it out a little bit so that it's facing more towards the front of the house. Okay, so guys, follow me along with this video. Remember, hit the like and subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get on with this video. Okay guys, so we have the Nest Hello thermostat here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what is inside of the box so that you guys can take a look and kind of get an idea of what we're going to be using to install this unit here. So, okay, we have the actual doorbell itself. Okay, we're going to open up this box, see our other contents. This here is going to go into the doorbell chime itself. We're going to put this into so that you can hook it up and it'll send a signal back to it, letting it know to ring the doorbell. Okay, and then we have some hardware material here. So this is a small little wedge mount that comes with it. And then there's a third party on Amazon that sells an additional wedge mount to bring it out a little bit more. I'll put all the links to everything in the description on the video, so you can go down below, hit like and subscribe first, and then hit the link so that you can purchase these items. And then we have some hardware material. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, we're going to remove the doorbell. This video is brought to you by SNS Investigations and Security. Okay, so on some of the stuff here, these particular doorbells require 16 VAC to 24 VAC, so 16 to 24 volts. Most of the transformers that are put in for the doorbells now are 16 to 24 volts. So most of the time you don't have to worry about it, but you can get a voltmeter, use your voltmeter, and check the voltage on it. It'll tell you and it'll let you know if it's compatible with the unit that you're using. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect this doorbell. Make sure your wires don't touch. If they touch, it's going to make your your doorbell go off. But you don't want to short it out. I broke her doorbell.
Like you haven't set up any HomeKit accessories.
Alright, now, so the way these mounts work, I was thinking that they go in like this. I mean, it just makes sense, right? But they actually go mounted like that. So let's get this mount put in. It's hot as hell. Okay. Now we got two screws on the back. It doesn't matter which one goes where. I know that one's white, one's red. There may be different colors in your house, but in this case, it doesn't matter. Put one on one side, put the other on the other side. Just make sure that they don't touch. They're not going to be touching after you install it. So, before we actually hook up our doorbell, we are going to install the Nest app on the customer's phone, and then it's going to walk us through installing this deal on the chime, and we'll take a look at that and then go from there. Sound good? Follow me inside. Okay guys, so you need to go into the App Store on iCloud account or on Androids and download the Nest app. Okay, once you download the Nest app, you need to set up your email address, create a new account for your Nest app, and then once you go through that, it'll send you an email, ask you to verify your email address. You verify your email address, and then you get to the home setup. So we've got the base part set up outside that you guys seen already. We are now going to install the chime, but the instructions ask us, and I'm following the instructions so that you guys get an understanding of exactly how this is put in. States for us to download the app and put all this in before we actually install the doorbell itself. So we've set up our account. We're gonna go ahead and hit continue. What do you want to call your home? We're gonna call it home. Can you see that? Okay, now we're gonna enter the home address. Okay, once you put in your home address, it's gonna ask you, do you want to use your phone's location for home away assist? It's usually for us as the integrators, it's usually a question you want to ask the homeowner and see if that's what they want to do. Okay, not now. Okay, and you can share your family account with other family members. In this case, we're gonna bypass that for now. Not now. Two-step verification. Okay, add product. So we're gonna add a product. Like to access the camera. Okay, so on your Nest doorbell on the back, there's a small little barcode here. We're gonna go ahead and scan that barcode. Make sure it works with your home voltage level. We know that it will. You can hit the compatibility checker and it'll let you know. All right, so now that we've scanned through it, we get to the part where it says find the chime connector in the box, okay? We have that here. Sorry for everything in my hands. Okay, we're gonna hit next. And it wants you to turn off the power to your chime doorbell, which we've done already. Okay, remove the chime cover and any batteries. So let's go ahead and go over to that. Here's our chime cover. So it wants to know how many wires are hooked up to your chime. Right now, it's just 2 wires hooked up. There and there. Okay? See if I can get my... Okay, so our red one is indicated as our front. And then, well, I'm sorry. These are both red. Our bottom one is front, and then the middle one here is for the transformer. And we have 2 wires here. We have a white, and then kind of like brownish or grayish color. And then we have these 2 over here. Okay, we're gonna take our front chime here. I'll go ahead and unscrew both of these. The one that went to the part that indicates front is going to go into our white wire. A little hole in the front. Push it there. Push it in. Got it hooked up. And then our gray wire, we're going to put it into this one here. Okay. Now we have 2 wires here. Same thing. So basically our white wire we took out of the spot marked as front. We're going to go ahead and put that back there. Close that up. And then the gray wire around the transformer spot. There we go. Okay. When the doorbell rings, these little deals here move. They jump back and forth so that they can hit these to cause the sound. Okay, so you want to make sure that whenever you put these wires back in here, that they're not in the way of these deals, because it'll cause an issue. Sometimes you don't have a whole lot of room to work with. These deals here. Kind of run these across the top. Take our doorbell cover. Voila. Okay, we're back outside. So now we're gonna install our doorbell. So we're going to loosen these up. I usually take a small screwdriver or a small drill bit and to make a little loop in it. It's not working for me here because very tight area to work in. Are you sending messages while filming, bro? Yeah. What? That noise you hear? That's my filmographer right there. The guy in the studio behind the camera. Blame it on him. Stick, bro. Alright, I had to pull this wire out a little bit. I didn't have much room to play with it. So I used some pliers and kind of pull on it gently out. And then see what happens. And then you just clip it right in. Boom. Oh, I thought that was a sticker for the whole thing. Let's go back into the app and check it out. All right. Okay, so now once you go to the setup on the app, the next question is the light ring around the button blue? Yes, it is. So yes, it's blue. We're gonna name this front door, and it is connecting to our front door. All right, so we got whenever you're setting it up, it asks you for the Wi-Fi network here at the house and for you to put in your password. So we chose our Wi-Fi network, we put in the password, and it's connected. So it added to our account. Boom. You can actually see our camera sitting out there. All right, next. Do you have electronic chime? No, we don't have an electronic chime. English. Done. Why don't you go outside and let's see if we can see you. Let's Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You can't hear me?
No.
Well, how you talking to me if you can't hear me? Oh, you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, you can hear me there?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Was it talking to you?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
There's a stranger at my door. Who are you, sir?
Hi there. No one can answer the door right now. We'll be notified you stopped by. Just a sec. We'll be right there. Hi there. You can just leave it. Thanks.
Go back to the app.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right, well, I'll let you go. So, just.
The app opens right up into live view so that you can see the camera. You click on the camera. You can actually talk to it if you see somebody out there. hit done,
It sounds like I'm backing up, but, I mean, I've got dishes.
zoom in,
Okay, well,
stop talking to him. And that's how you install a Nest doorbell. You done coughing, man? Interrupting my video? You done?
Yeah.
And that's how you install a Nest. And that's how you install a Nest Hello doorbell. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe. What are you laughing at, man?
Thermostat.
And that's how you install a Nest Hello doorbell. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Holler at you later.